disasters have caused an estimated $3.26 trillion in agricultural losses globally over the past 33 years, averaging $99 billion annually, or about 4% of global agricultural GDP, according to the FAO's Impact of Disasters on Agriculture and Food Security 2025 report. Between 1991 and 2023, disasters destroyed 4.6 billion tons of cereals, 2.8 billion tons of fruits and vegetables, and 900 million tons of meat and dairy, translating to a daily per capita reduction of 320 kilocalories, roughly 13 to 16% of average energy needs. Asia bore the largest share, accounting for 47% of total losses, $1.53 trillion, due to high agricultural production and frequent exposure to floods, storms, and droughts. In Pakistan, recent monsoon floods affected over 9 million people and destroyed 849,000 hectares of crops, exacerbating recovery from the catastrophic 2022 floods. Consecutive flooding has caused soil erosion, salinization, and infrastructure damage, posing long-term challenges for agricultural recovery. The FAO report highlights digital technologies as critical for disaster risk reduction. Tools such as AI, remote sensing, drones, sensors, and mobile connectivity enable hyperlocal, real-time insights for early warning systems, anticipatory action, and insurance delivery. Currently, 9.1 million farmers access parametric insurance digitally, and early warning systems help evacuate 90% of at-risk populations before disasters strike. Disaster impacts extend beyond immediate crop losses to include market disruptions, infrastructure damage, financial system failures, and ecosystem degradation. Marine heatwaves alone cost $6.6 billion in fisheries losses between 1985 and 2022, affecting 15% of global fisheries. The report emphasizes the need for improved assessment tools to capture both direct and indirect impacts, long-term ecosystem disruptions, and the differential effects on vulnerable populations.